Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to get the copper update on Xbox using an easy method. Keeping your game updated is super important to enjoy all the newest features and improvements. We'll walk through the simple steps to ensure your Minecraft world is always running the latest version, bringing you all the fantastic new copper content. It's a straightforward process that will have you exploring new possibilities in no time. So let's dive right in and get your game ready. Your Xbox console is designed to update games automatically, especially when it's in sleep mode and connected to the internet. However, sometimes you might need to give it a little nudge. To manually check, simply navigate to My Games and Apps from your Xbox home screen. Find Minecraft in your game library, press the menu button on your controller, and then select Manage Game and Add-ons. From there, look for the Updates section. If an update is available, it will appear here, ready for you to download and install. If you're having trouble getting the update, don't worry. First, make sure your Xbox has a strong and stable internet connection. A wired connection can often be faster and more reliable. Next, close any other games or applications running in the background. This frees up bandwidth and processing power for your update. Also, confirm that your console has enough available storage space for the new content. Updates can sometimes be several gigabytes in size, so having at least a few gigabytes free is a good idea to prevent any installation hiccups. Once your game is updated, you're ready to explore all the exciting new copper features. You'll find helpful copper golems that can sort up to 16 items in your chests, making organization a breeze. Get ready to craft new copper tools, weapons, and armor, adding a fresh tier of equipment to your inventory. Plus, discover new copper chests and decorative blocks that beautifully oxidize over time, changing their appearance. These additions bring a fantastic new layer of creativity and utility to your Minecraft world, so go have fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.